This video is going to blow your mind. In this video, I will tell you how to bulk create content using ChatGPT and Canva automatically. This video is basically about automation that will help you create content faster and will make you much more productive. In this video, I will be using ChatGPT and Canva to bulk create LinkedIn carousel posts and create content faster. But unlike other videos, we are not going to stay at the surface. We will dive in deeper and see how it is actually done. And we will do this in 3 steps. First of all, we will go to ChatGPT and create content for our LinkedIn carousel post. Then we will download the same content in .csv sheet, and then we will go to Canva and bulk create. So let us quickly go and see how it is actually done. Now let us go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate 10 content ideas for our LinkedIn carousel post. In my case, the prompt says generate 10 content ideas for topic SEO tips for 2023. Just mention the titles and then I hit enter. Now based on my prompt, it has generated 10 content ideas for me. I will ask it to generate a LinkedIn carousel post for one of the ideas. Now my prompt says turn idea number 4 into a LinkedIn carousel with less than 25 to 30 words per slide. Make sure to keep it conversational, easy to read and relatable. These slides should be packed with valuable content for digital marketers. Throw in some pain points and mindset shift to get them to think about the content in a new way. Your content should be unique and engaging, and it should make the readers want to start a conversation in the comments. You can also display the content in the form of a table with columns, slide number, headlines, sub-headlines, and description. Now this is the most important part in this prompt. And then I hit enter. Now see the magic happening. So based on my prompt, it has generated a table with various columns, and the columns are slide number, headlines, sub-headlines, and description. Now we will copy this table and upload it on Google Sheet. Go to Google Sheet and paste the content that you copied from ChatGPT. You should proofread the content and add your own value wherever you want to. Right now, I'm just skipping that step and we will directly go to Canva and bulk create. So what we'll do is, first of all, we will download this as a CSV sheet. So go to download it as comma separated values sheet and give it a name. Now open Canva and create the desired LinkedIn carousel design. On the right hand side, you can see create a design button. Click it and type LinkedIn carousel. Now you can click it and it will give you a blank format. Now in my case, I have already created a LinkedIn carousel post format. Now once I open it up, now you can see there are 4 attributes: headline, sub-headline, description, and slide number. Now these are the 4 attributes which correspond to the Google Sheet that we just downloaded. Let me show you. So you can see slide number, headline, sub-headline, and description. I have named it and I will connect these attributes on Canva. So let us go to Canva, and on the left hand side, you can see a section called as bulk create. Now, if you are not able to see this option on the left hand side, you can type it down here. In my case, I can see it here. So I will click it and start creating a LinkedIn carousel post using bulk create feature of Canva. So I click here. When I click here, there are 3 options: enter data manually and upload CSV. Now I want to go for upload CSV, and we'll upload the same CSV that we just downloaded from Google Sheets. So I click here and I go for this one. This is the one we downloaded right now. And then I open it up. You can see there are 4 sections. So slide number, headlines, sub-headlines, and description. So I will connect these 4 with the right attributes on my carousel. So slide number, hover onto slide number, right click, connect data, select slide number. Then go to headline, right click, connect your headline. Now as you're doing this, now you can see these 2 are connected. And the third part, sub-headline, connect data, sub-headline, and description section, right click, connect data, and connect it to the description section. You have connected the 4 attributes on your LinkedIn carousel post with the 4 columns on the CSV sheet that you just uploaded. Now you have to click continue. Once you click continue, it will say generate 10 pages. Once you click generate 10 pages, see the magic happening. So I click generate and I can see my LinkedIn carousel post has been successfully created. You can drag and drop, you can adjust some of the elements as per your wishes, and we are good to go. Download it as PDF standard, and I can directly go to LinkedIn and upload a document file which will convert into a LinkedIn carousel post. So I'll go to LinkedIn right away, go to start a post, click here, go to add a document, choose the file. This is a document that we downloaded. Click here, name the file, and you can see your carousel post is ready within few seconds. So use this hack, which will help you create content faster and will make you much more productive. So if you found this content to be meaningful, do share it with your friends and family. Also, do not forget to follow me for more such valuable and relevant content. Do mention your thoughts in the comment section below. I'm listening.